Hustler mowers are capable of operating horizontally on moderately steep slopes, but you shouldn't try it until you've become very familiar with your tractor's handling characteristics. For instance, sudden starts, stops, turns, or direction reversals should be avoided at all times, but especially on inclined terrain. Keep all your movements on slopes slow and steady, and don't turn unless it's absolutely necessary. To maximize traction, it is better to turn the front of the machine uphill rather than downhill. If drive tires lose traction, steering control is lost, and serious injury or death could result. If it becomes necessary to turn downhill, do so slowly and gradually if possible. Starting and stopping on a slope isn't recommended either, for the same reasons. If traction is lost, disengage the blades and move straight downhill slowly. On steep slopes, wet terrain, depressions in the ground, mounds or ruts, loose soil, density and type of grass, or even tire pressure can cause the drive tires to lose traction. If this happens, it is strongly recommended that you drive the tractor off of the slope using extreme caution. With the exception of the Hustler ATZ, you should not operate on slopes greater than 15 degrees. The Hustler ATZ should not be operated on slopes greater than 25 degrees. Drop-offs, retaining walls, drainage ditches, embankments, and standing water also pose difficulties and potential dangers. Mow a safe distance, no less than 10 feet, away from drop-offs to avoid the possibilities of a wheel slipping over the edge or the ground breaking away. Use a walk-behind, push mower, or handheld trimmer near such hazards. If you'll routinely be operating on rough or sloping terrain, a rollover protection system, or ROPS, is required. It, along with a fastened seat belt, will minimize the chance of serious injury or death should a rollover occur.